What's up mga kalagaray and welcome to Siargao! Woo!
The trap is sprung.
For today's episode is magpa-parts reveal tayo sa ginawa nating scrambler for Sir Paulo. Shoutout sa iyo Sir Paulo for trusting Lagarahe and for letting us build your dream custom build na scrambler. So, gagawin natin today is magpa-parts reveal tayo sa ginawa natin. And then, firstly, yung base bike ni Sir kami na nag-provide, brand new base bike. And then, kinostom namin. And, ang special request niya is i-deliver yung scrambler build na pinagawa niya dito sa Siargao. So, let's go! So, magpa-parts reveal tayo sa ginawa nating Honda TMX 125 Scrambler. So, first off, ang kinabit natin dito na speedometer, which is analog speedometer, which indicates the odometer and then the gear. 0 to 5. Okay? Tapos, yung handlebar, kasi nga mataas si Sir. 5'10" height niya. Tapos, yung babagay sa kanya na handlebar is yung high-rise na perfect for scrambler. And then long stem na high quality side mirrors. Tapos dito yung handle grips na diamond waffle, yung favorite natin. Ayan. Tapos dito naman sa tangke yung universal na gas tank, which is favorite din natin na ikabit for scramblers. And fit na fit din dito sa build na gusto ni Sir. And then, as always, yung favorite natin na brown waffle stitch. Para siyang genuine leather. But it's just German leather. And of course, naka heat press na custom Lagarahe print. Ayan. Tapos yung iconic natin na plate number. Ayan. LED, of course, na tail light. And then for the signal light, itong mga premium na mini turn signal lights. Ito yung always namin sinasabi na favorite namin kasi maliit siya pero okay na okay yung ilaw. Kahit daytime or nighttime. Nandito naman tayo sa headlight. Just a simple standard round classic headlight with a tinted yellow lens. Pero yung nakalagay na bulb yung sa original na sa Honda TMX 125 yung kinabit namin dito para original pa rin yung feels. Bale yung looks lang yung naiba. And then grilled na protection para sa in case may malaking bato na tumama, hindi siya madaling mabiyak. And then dito sa fender, top mounted aluminum fender, matte black yung pinaka fender niya, tapos yung bracket naka bead roll, tapos whole sawed na aluminum bracket din para mas matibay. Actually, it doesn't look that tough, pero pag i-testing mo solid siya. Tested na yan. And then converted na yung fork sa TMX 155. The tires, we used Fuji tires kasi ito yung nakita namin na, and then nagustuhan din ni Sir na perfect for Siargao kasi for its use na isla vibe. So ito yung ginamit namin. Same lang front and back. And yung shocks, pinalitan na rin to ng brand new na mas mataas na shocks kasi mataas si sir, tapos malaki si sir. So, everything pinataasan natin. Kasi 5'10 si sir, yung height niya 5'10. So, dapat hindi siya yung common na seat height na ginagawa natin. So, medyo mas mataas siya. And I think than our usual builds, mas mataas siya ng 2 to 3 inches. So, ayun. So, bullet pipe naman, na ginawa natin, always na ginagamit din natin is yung version 3 na bullet pipe. And right now, naka-attach yung silencer. Alright? Mamaya, tatanggalin namin yan kasi maganda yung tunog niya pag walang silencer. Sa swing arm, of course, extended. Pero di mo na makikita kung saan namin in-extend. So, kayo na maghanap kung saan namin in-extend. So, ayun. Dito sa side cover pala, yung original is walang paint. So, of course, to make it look professional, compared to the original, syempre pininturahan natin, ginamitan natin ng plastic primer, pininturahan natin gaya nung paint job sa gas tank and then sa fenders, matte, and then with top coat na matte kasi para mas matibay yung matte and just then ma-define yung pagka-matte niya na parang charcoal-ish na pagka-matte. So, super black talaga siya. Tank, yung classic Honda logo, and the engine, nirepaint natin ng black. Actually, sobrang kapal ng pintura niyan. As we always do talaga, just to make sure na hindi basta-basta natatanggal ng paint ng tank. So, parang triple or quadruple coat ata, including the primer. So, primer, base coat, color coat, top coat. So, ganun kakapal. And thermal wrap na brown. So, siyan, andito. And usually dito talaga namin nilalagay. So, ayun. As of now, introduce natin yung client, which is our very generous client all the way from Siargao. And we are very happy na pinadeliver niya talaga dito sa Siargao. And at the same time, nakapag-spend some time kami dito. Welcome natin si Sir. Sir, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, so ako si Paulo, client ni Phil and ng Lagarahe Motorcycles.
Yes.
So, ayun, gusto ko lang mag-shoutout sa kay Phil and sa buong Lagarahe Motorcycles team for building my dream bike. And yeah, like, to be honest, I don't have anything negative to say about this. It came out perfectly, you know, as you can see, yung details and everything, okay naman.
Nakuha ko ba yung gusto mo overall?
Yeah, overall man, like
details?
walang reklamo talaga, walang problema, anything. Yun nga lang, kulang na ng board rack. Hindi mo naman kasi sinabi sa akin na
Actually,
naglalagay ka rin pa rin ng
nakalimutan namin na lagyan ng board rack. Pero in the first place talaga, hindi ako nakaisip na Siargao, tapos surfer. So, nakalimutan talaga namin yung detail na yun. So, maybe to follow na yung detail na yun. So, anyway, so far, as the scrambler goes, and sa specs na gusto ni Sir, nakita nyo man, mas mataas si Sir sa akin. Ako, 5'7 lang ko siya, mga 5'11 nata to. Hindi to 5'10 eh, parang 5'11 to. So, ang height niya, saktong-sakto lang.
Sobrang ganda guys, like highly recommended yung kung gusto niyo magpa-custom ng mga ng mga bikes niyo and everything. Yeah.
By the way,
Phil is the guy to go.
Yeah, thank you man. Thank you. So, anyway, gusto lang namin sabihin sa inyo na we don't just ship to Siargao but we ship nationwide. To be specific, to ports of Cebu, Iloilo, Bohol, and Manila. Alright, so sa mga ports na mga yun lang kami makakaship sadly kasi yun lang yung direct route from CDO. Pero dito sa case ni Sir Siargao, special tong delivery na to kasi siya din nag-insist and he paid naman for the cost of the delivery, and it's not cheap, okay? Hindi siya mura. Pero
But it's worth
Sir,
it.
yeah. Sir took the risk and sa sinabi niya, worth the risk. And then worth it. So ayun, hope you like our vlog and this special episode. So ayun guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Capiche?
All right.